Welcome to the Soulshine Travel Las Vegas Room Series, Summer 2023. Hey, this is Dave with Soulshine Travel. We've got another room tour for you today. Today we are at the Aria Resorts and Casino at City Center in Las Vegas. Our room is a deluxe king room, room 22272. We're going to start off. As we walk into the room, on our right-hand side is a bathroom. It's 2 sinks. There's definitely plenty of space for 2 people. We've been away now for 2 weeks, so we've got a lot of stuff, and it fits pretty well. You've got a separate water closet. With some privacy doors. Here, you've got a really nice shower. I do like the shower tub combinations at the Aria Hotel and Casino. As you can see, nice soaking tub, some nice bath products. Definitely spacious. Water pressure is pretty good. As we come out of the bathroom, you've got your sliding door. Makes it easy to get in and out, as you can see. And directly in front of you, you've got all your storage space. There's quite a lot of storage space in the Aria hotel rooms. Definitely, you've got 2 nice sized closets and plenty of drawer space. I'll open up one of the closets so you can kind of see. Definitely some space. At Soulshine Travel, we like to suggest that you make a phone call to housekeeping and ask them to bring you a few extra hangers because you can never have enough. So now we enter the room. Again, pretty spacious. Nice king size bed. The beds and the pillows at Aria Vidara hotels are pretty comfortable. Probably some of the better ones that we have. Some 2 sitting areas. And we do enjoy mountain views in Las Vegas. We've been to Vegas quite a lot, so seeing the strip every day isn't that important to us. But again, we've got a nice view of Red Rock Canyon, the Palms Hotel. Right in front of us here is the Vidara. We've got a view of their pool. And the Cosmopolitan. I do enjoy these corner windows. Gives you a little bit more to see, but again, we've got the Cosmopolitan over here and their pool. And again, the Aria Resorts and Casino is part of City Center. This track you see here is a tram. You can get from the Aria to Bellagio with stops at Park MGM. So it's a nice way to go when it's really hot outside. So again, that is our room tour for the Aria Resort Hotel and Casino. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, if you're looking for a nice vacation, please feel free to contact us at bookmytravel@soulshinetravel.com or bookmytravel2@soulshinetravel.com. The links will be posted below. Thank you very much. Hope to work with you in the future. Have a good day.